We're back in Carcassonne. The sun is really low now. It's the same day as I was videoing earlier, so I know I'm wearing the same shirt. We came back in the evening. Let's just have a look, see what it's like. It's fairly warm, probably 18 degrees, I guess. Here we go. Carcassonne, take 2. So the car park is there, and here we are.
So this is the Carcassonne Citadel. When you look at it, it looks like it's been built for a film set, but this is genuine history.
Yeah.
It sits perched on a hill above the River Aude. The citadel sits behind 2 vast walls that were built to defend it from marauding Spaniards or whoever else decided they wanted to attack. And they stretch for nearly 3 kilometres. Around this perimeter sit 52 towers, which as you approach they dominate the skyline. You are able to walk the ramparts. It costs us €13 each, and not only do you get to walk the ramparts as well as entering the towers, there's a chateau in the middle that is also interesting, included in the €13. We spent about 2 hours in that part of it alone.
Yeah. Yeah. New sword. The downside is there's a lot of gift shops before you get to anything decent. Kebab. Chateau and ramparts.
Yeah.
Entrance is shut at the moment, so.
Yeah. What, in there?
Yeah, it's in there.
We did walk round here. There's a bit round there.
If you want to get in the chateau and the ramparts, it's closed at the moment. We're about 6 o'clock in the evening, obviously. That sounds low, isn't it?
Yeah. Loud, yeah. Wait a minute. Take a picture.
Nougat macaroons. Oh, it's that sewer smell again. I love so much. I think they pipe it in especially for me. Drains. Yeah. Don't think you'd ever get bored of it. Challenging the fear of heights again. The sun's so bloody low at the moment. Yeah, so we'll just moan about everything. Come on. So at the moment we're walking around the outside of the Citadel, I guess you call it. There's another bit that ramparts, which they charge for. I'll let you take a look, so I'm scared of heights. Tell me if it's nice. Ooh, bit of a jump. What's that? Yeah.
Oh, and that church down there.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's like a little restaurant or something up there. out of the wind here.
It's not cold though.
No, it's not at all cold, is it? It's really nice. We've already eaten, of course. $19.90 for a menu, or infant's menu, $12.50. So I don't think that's outrageous. It's that life into my own hands here going down this slope. Hope you appreciate it. If you do, give us a like and subscribe. Oh, I thought it was going to be a big 300-foot well or something. That doesn't deserve a like.
The ramparts you see here are about 10 to 12 metres high, and the walls in some places are up to 4 metres thick. So in between the two walls is an area called Les Lices. No, Les Lices. I might be pronouncing that wrong. But it's known as a kill zone. So anyone basically entering or getting past the first lots of ramparts, they've then got to get through the second bits, which is where all your archers would be, ready to stop you. So the site's origins go back more than 2,000 years, when the Romans first fortified the hill. Most of what we see today were built around the 12th or 13th centuries, during the reigns of French kings, and the major works were completed around 1285. After centuries of neglect, the French architect Eugène Viollet-le-Duc, excuse the pronunciation, began restoring the citadel in the 1850s, and that's what gives it the fairy tale look it has now. The Citadel is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and welcomes around 2 million visitors a year.
Back into the sun. We're just walking all around the walls. I mean, this really was a village or a town, and they've built a big wall around it. And I mean, it is a big wall as well. Oh, it's the church.
At the heart of the citadel sits the basilica of Saint Nazaire, one of Carcassonne's true treasures.
Behind the church.
Originally built in the 11th century, it began as a simple Romanesque church, later extended in the Gothic style in the 13th century, when this region was at the height of its power.
Looks like a nice hotel, that. Moulins and Fritz.
Je m'offre même parfois une petite séquence. Merci.
So I've been walking around trying to find a little square where we had a coffee last time we were here, and we just managed to stumble across it down this little alleyway. There was some football on last time we were there.
I just said to you, we watched football.
Yeah.
We sat here.
A nice little square to have coffee. Yeah, one that looks open.
All right.
So we actually bottled it for coffee. Well, we're going to come tomorrow morning. Everyone's having dinner, and I don't really want to sit down and say, do a cafe, s'il vous plaît. That's it from the fortified city for now. We're going to come back tomorrow and do a few bits that we couldn't do there. The chateau and the ramparts were closed. They closed fairly early, maybe 5 o'clock or something. So we'll do that, no doubt, tomorrow. Let's get a last view. Get stones in your shoes there.